So hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with some of the important opportunity from the Genpact, another important company. So first important hiring that is from the Genpact, and this is one of the very good company. And I'll suggest especially if you are from the BB background, you should apply for this. So they are hiring for the role of technical associate backend developer Java. So if you know the Java and interested in uh, backend technology, then this is a wonderful opportunity. Genpact is a MNC and this is a good company. So what we are responsibility will responsible to develop, test, and maintain Java-based applications. Collaborate with front-end developer and other team member to establish objective and design cohesive, troubleshoot and debug applications, and participate in code review and all those things. So what are the requirement for this? So minimum qualification is you should have bachelor degree in computer science, IT or related field. Means IT से related जो भी field है, you are good, okay, and you should have proficiency in Java programming, familiarity with RESTful API and web services, and strong problem-solving skill and excellent communication skills for the teamwork abilities. So this is wonderful opportunity if you have done some project or some exposure to MongoDB, DynamoDB, and in Java, then it will basically increase your chances. So make sure to apply with updated resume. Moving to next important opportunity that is from the Auric AI Lab. So this is a role for the SD intern and job location is Bengaluru and Mumbai and hybrid. Okay, so about the role, you can just go through complete job link description. So we'll design and build backend services and API, work with AI agents and LM powered, collaborate with senior engineers and all those stuff. So what we are looking for should have experience in testing with external API. Means अगर आपने API REST API पे work किया, then this will basically increase the chances for that. Okay, and these are some bonus pointed. So if you're interested, just upload the resume and apply and submit the application. This is a wonderful opportunity, everyone should apply. Next important opportunity that is from the Boxfit. They are hiring for the role of trust service analyst, and this is a remote job. Okay, so remote job in India and Philippines, and this is a wonderful opportunity. This is also MNC, means it operate on various countries. So we will collaborate with the internal team, reference of compliance evidence, ensure timely and accurate delivery. So what we offer: career development, technical training they will provide, post onboarding and competitive compensation and growth opportunities are there. So if you want to build a good career, especially here, then you can just apply. Moving to next important opportunity, they are hiring for the role of help desk, multiple positions. So you will basically work on service desk, remote desktop support. So if you are interested in support role, then you can apply. Freshers are eligible and location is HCLTech Lucknow on site. So this is a wonderful opportunity from the HCLTech. If you are interested in this, remember this is non-tech profile and any graduates can apply for that. Next important, they are looking the enthusiastic and passionate Java fresher to kickstart their career. So if you have some basic knowledge of SQL database, then you can just share your resume to this mail ID. Remember, this is personal mail ID, so make sure to uh, basically be careful before saying any other important credentials. Okay, next important opportunity that is for the role of GNI 0 to 1 year of experience. So company name is Infrard and they are hiring for the role of trainee software development engineer. So this is also a wonderful opportunity, everyone should apply. Friends, recently TCS have announced their result, and you can see first time in the history they are giving the result within 7 days. So those who are preparing for the NQT, just follow our playlist and all those, and after selection you can just fill our mock interview form. We regularly schedule interview for you and we'll provide you dedicated guidance, resume shortlisting, resume shortlisting tips and all those stuff. So if you're interested, you can just fill our form, and if you have any query, feel free to ask her. You can connect me on LinkedIn and you can ask query anywhere or Insta, Facebook or WhatsApp. So मिलते हैं next video में. Thank you.